Tired of storage full messages? Here's how to upgrade your laptop. In today's ASUS Spotlight video, we'll be looking at how you can upgrade your SSD in any ASUS Stuff or ASUS ROG laptop. All you need is an M.2 NVMe stick like this ASUS JOGEEK one, which comes in multiple storage capacities. Let's look at how you can install this in two different kinds of laptops, like the ASUS VivoBook 16, which comes with a screwed-in back panel, and the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 16, which comes with a tool-free design. For regular notebooks like the VivoBook 16, start by shutting down your laptop and flipping it over. Place it on a flat surface, preferably over a microfiber cloth to avoid any scratches. Use a screwdriver to open all the screws on your laptop. Keep in mind that not all screws may be the same size, so keep them aside in the same order you pull them out in to avoid any mix-ups. When all the screws are out, use a prying tool like this one to separate the back panel from the body. Make a small gap and proceed by going all around the machine. When done, the back panel should pop right off. Next, locate your SSD slot. If there's a single slot and you already have an SSD drive in there, you can replace your existing drive with a new SSD with larger capacity. However, be sure to clone your operating system and files in advance, as the new SSD will be empty. Simply unscrew this screw, and if a drive is already in the slot, remove the drive like this. You can now insert the new drive into the slot at a slightly inclined angle and push it till it fits into place. Put the back panel into place, flip the laptop, connect it to power and start it. For our tool-free back panel designs on the 2025 Strix and Scar models, things get even easier. Begin by shutting down your laptop and placing it upside down on a flat surface, preferably over a microfiber cloth to avoid any scratches. Push this opening latch to the side and push the back panel below. You can now simply lift it and it should come right off. By the way, if you are still using a single SSD slot on your gaming laptop, consider upgrading to an ROG gaming laptop where we have 2 slots on every machine. But yes, if you have only one slot, you can remove the old SSD and replace it with a new ASUS JOGEEK SSD of larger capacity. Again, do note that the new SSD will be empty, so make sure your operating system and files are all cloned into the new drive in advance. Open this Q latch, remove any older drive if required, and you can now place your new SSD into place. Simply insert the drive at a slightly inclined angle and push it till it fits into place and turn the latch back to lock it. You can now put the back panel back together by placing the lid slightly lower and pushing it upwards to lock it into place. Flip the laptop, connect it to power and turn it on. Your machine should now boot with the increased storage, and you can verify this in the File Explorer's This PC window. Congratulations! You have now successfully updated the SSD storage on your ASUS laptop. As a bonus, these ASUS JOGEEK SSD sticks come with a 5-year warranty and are highly tested for top-notch reliability with any ASUS machines. But you can still use them with just about any supported device. That's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.